Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make a weekly calendar in Notion. So first thing, I have here an empty page. So first, just simply add a calendar slash calendar and we will have this one. Now from here, go for the settings icon over here. And now go ahead and go for the layout. Here on the layout, you should be able to see here show calendar as. So select it and select week. As you can see, it is now different. So now just simply add an item if you want to add an to-do list or task. And after that, it will have a pop-up window. You just simply provide the task over here. So let's say the task is stretching. And now you can add a date, tags, or add a property if you prefer. So guys, if you want to add a property, I recommend going for the status over here. So you will have here an option not started, in progress, or done. So from here, you should be able to edit it out. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and click the outside tab and you should be able to have your task. And pretty much over here, you can edit it out and add as much as you like on specific dates. There you go, see ya.